Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I will be making me a quick, simple and refreshing smoothie in my kitchen, made with my natural strawberries, my kiwi and my bananas. Smoothies are a very best way to pack nutrients and fruits in your body. So if you want to try this healthy smoothie in your kitchen, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's get this process started. These are all the ingredients you need to make your strawberry kiwi. Over here, I got my whole milk. I got me a banana. I got my kiwi. Take a look at my kiwi. This is how my kiwi looks. Here it is. It got that little outer hair on it, so it's kind of a little bit rough. I love me some kiwi, guys. Yes. And I got my strawberries over here. So guys, wait no more. Let's get this process started. So at this point, guys, we're gonna cut up our strawberries. I've already washed and cleaned my strawberries. Now I'm removing the stem from the strawberries because we don't need all of that. We only need the juicy strawberries. And I've also washed my kiwi. Please, guys, make sure your fruits are all washed and clean. And here goes my fruits. My strawberries, my kiwi, and my bananas are all cut up and looking really nice. I love to use my natural fruits to make my smoothie. And now I'm going in with like 1 cup of milk to blend up all of those babies together. And I'm just adding everything to the blender just like that. Up next, I'm going in with some ice cube to all of this niceness right here. I know this smoothie is gonna be super refreshing and nice. And I'm just blending everything until it is well smooth and looking really good. OMG, look at all of this right here. You need this in your diet, guys. If you're going to the gym, if you're going to work, it's quick, simple, and easy for your breakfast meal, whatever you wish, guys. But this smoothie right here, guys, it is really nice. It's real healthy, all the natural fruits. And that's 1, 2, 3. Quick, simple, and easy. And I'm gonna pour me a glass because your girl over here is hungry. Look at that, thick, refreshing, and nice. OMG. And I'm just garnishing my smoothie with a slice of kiwi and a slice of my strawberry on top. If you love how this smoothie is coming along, please let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, let me know, guys, what you think. This is a healthy way to go. Your health is your #1 priority. This right here is everything, guys. I cannot wait to dig in. Look at my kiwi going on top. OMG, this really have a buzz, guys. This have a buzz. That smoothie here, guys, have a buzz. I just cannot wait to turn it at my head. Ooh la la. A moment of silence, guys, and just look at all of this niceness right here. So guys, we're here with the test dummy. You the test dummy, remember that?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm the main chef.
No, you're not.
This is gonna be a part 2 of making smoothies. David tries it out. Please don't die. But okay. Ready?
Let's cheers it. You're just greedy.
It smells good. Wow. It's strong. I can taste the kiwi. Oh.
And my kiwi there. But my that's just David, guys.
No, it's the way Jody cuts it.
Let's pour it in there. Oh, he's eating the strawberry, guy. Oh, mine fell in there, guys.
It's good.
It's really nice. I love the kiwi though. How does it taste? You're honest.
Nah, it's strong. It's good.
What do you mean it's strong?
Like, what I mean, I can really taste the fruit. The
natural fruits and
Yeah.
all that. Okay.
Wait, is it kiwi? Yeah.
And it's also cold. So there's a lot of ice.
Yeah. The other one was good, but it was a little bit warm. This is nice and cool. So, guys, once again, thank you for watching.
If you like it, give it a try. Let us know in the comment section how you like
And
it.
guys, if you want us to try any of y'all smoothies, put it in the comments and we will try it. Make a video of it.
Yeah.
But this is really good.
Yeah.
We think about eating more healthier. And guys, if you made it to this part of the video, we got a surprise for you later on. A
What's the
Thanksgiving
surprise?
video.
A Thanksgiving video?
Yeah, Thanksgiving video. Jody first time something. So we go and see. I got you later, guys. Please hit that like button. Smash that subscribe button.
Smash that notification button.
Put that bell on so for future videos.
You know. Okay, you supposed to talk. You drinking
Oh,
out of
you
guys.
saw
You
out of
see,
the
I'm
room.
telling you.
So guys, and one thing I gotta say, make it how you want to make it too. If you want to add something to it, add sugar, add more fruits, do it. Go wild. You only live one life. YOLO.
YOLO. Healthy life matters.
So guys, catch you later. I don't know if it's the morning,
Good
afternoon,
evening.
or the night. So I want to wish you good morning, afternoon, and good night.
All right. Cheers again. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Drink up and